Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this video we're putting a toolbox on the tongue of our Escapade Backcountry. When choosing a toolbox, there are basically four things we were considering. 1. It needs to fit inside the cargo rack on the front of the trailer. 2. It needs to be lockable. 3. We really wanted it to have a lid with an overhang to help keep out water and debris. And 4, it needed to allow us to have access to and open the hatch to the air conditioner so we could run the air conditioner when it's hot. Yep, it's just a pipe insulation noodle. Nice. Probably rattle this with that. This is hard to reach.
And you got them little bit fingers. Got it?
I think so.
It'll be okay.
Yeah, it'll relax or compress or something, hopefully. The toolbox is made of aluminum diamond plate and has a stainless steel latch. Inside the lid is a hydraulic strut lift. The back of the box has an offset, so when the lid's open it doesn't stick out past the back of the box. The latches are zinc plated steel. The handles have a plastic cover on them, and these particular latches are lockable. They have plenty of room for a nice size lock to go through. The length as they are attached to the trailer right now is just shy of 8 inches, about 7 3/4 inches, and then their width is right around 1 3/4 inches. We'll put links to the toolbox and latches in the video description below. Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to Wobbly Otter Outdoors.